I fell down on my knees and I began to cry out to God, and I'll never forget it. And I said, Lord, I just want to quit. I just want to run away. I just want to go off somewhere and help us, God. I can't get out of this. I don't know what to do. I've told other people what to do, but I don't know what to do.
Wow.
And it's not working. It doesn't feel like it's working, but the Word is working. The pain you feel is the pain you can heal.
Wow.
That's why I'm here tonight.
Wow.
Nobody will ever come up to me again and say, pray for my children, and me casually do it.
Wow.
Nobody will ever come up to me again and say, my marriage is going through a tough time, pray for my marriage, and me casually do it.
Wow.
Because I live in a real world with a real family. And I'm telling you, God can bring you through. He will bring you through. And the miracle is not in what you lost. The miracle is in what you have left.